Today we are going to talk about 5 things that you should eliminate from your house right now because they attract poverty and stagnation. It is very important that you pay close attention to this information that I am going to share with you. If you're stuck in a rut and everything you want is only halfway there, it's probably because of one or more of the 5 things I'm about to explain to you in details, what they are and why you should get rid of them from your house. Why it is very critical that you do this. First, you must understand that everything that exists in the world is energy. From yourself to every object you have in your house, and energy can either propel you forward or hold you back from achieving your goals. After realizing this, I began to pay close attention to every item I own in my house and found that many of them had some connection to my past. When I managed to eliminate them, I began to manifest miracles in my life that I had never imagined. Take a few minutes for yourself, pay close attention, because this information is incredibly powerful. If you manage to apply it to your life, you'll also see miracles happen. These 5 things that I am going to detail for you now are related to the principle of vibration. Let's start with the first thing you should eliminate from your house. The first thing is the clothes you no longer wear. When you acquire a garment, at that moment you have a particular energy according to the situation you are in. Surely you have experienced buying a garment that you love and wore frequently, but suddenly you stopped using it. Do you know why you stopped using it? It's because you changed. Keep in mind that we are constantly evolving, and what you liked yesterday may not resonate with you today. The garment you have stored contains the energy of your past, which no longer aligns with your current energy. By not having the same energy, it stagnates your progress. That's why you should not keep clothes that you no longer wear. Keep only the clothing that you adore, feel comfortable wearing, are your favorites, and make you smile when you see yourself in the mirror. The remainder can either be donated, if it's in good condition, or disposed of, if it's not. But before parting with those garments, I'm going to ask you to do an exercise, and it's very important that you pay attention. You will hold that garment in your hands and express gratitude by saying this: thank you for the moments we shared and the time we spent together. Do you know why am I requesting you to do this? Because that garment holds energy and it needs to complete its cycle and bid farewell with gratitude and thankfulness. When you wore it, it surely brought wonderful moments to you. The second thing that blocks your energy is broken things. It could be a kitchen utensil, a decorative item like a vase, a mirror, a painting, or anything else you may have in your house. Remember, your house is your temple and you must take care of it. If something is broken, you should not try to fix it by gluing it together. It's already broken, and having something broken in your house is a great thief and energy blocker. You will do the same as with the clothes. Say goodbye to it with gratitude for the service it has provided you and dispose of it. The third thing is dirty or worn out shoes, and I learned this from one of my greatest metaphysics teachers. Your life's journey is guided by the shoes you wear. You must always keep them clean and in good condition. When you come home, you should clean them, so that any external energy they carry does not enter your temple. And if they are worn out, do you want a broken path in your life? Imagine, not try to do your best to replace them with new ones. They are the ones that guide you every day, supporting the weight of your physical body and absorbing all the energy. When they are outside your house, please always try to keep them clean and in good condition. The fourth thing you should not have in your house requires a lot of attention, because most people usually have these things. I'm going to detail them: objects and clothes of people who are no longer with you, who are no longer in this plane. Memories should only remain in your mind. The rest is energy. And if that person is no longer in your present, please let them go. Let them continue their journey. Do not interrupt their process, because if you do, all you will achieve is further stagnation in your own house. There should only be things that are part of your present, and the past is already dead. It doesn't exist. Jesus said, "Let the dead bury their own dead." Gospel, according to Matthew chapter 8 verse 18 to 22. The fifth and final thing you should eliminate is clutter. The energy in your house should flow freely. The lighter your environment, the more energy will circulate. Please try to keep your home organized. Open the windows, let the air and sunlight in. Don't leave anything in the way. Try to have your house perfumed with beautiful plants that you bring in, and feel in your heart that it is your temple, your place, and it gives you joy to return to make your bed every morning and thank it for providing you rest. Remember, it is also energy. Try to make Your house is harmonious as possible, and it's not about luxury, it's about energy, in motion. With a clean and harmonious house, when you start applying these 5 points I have given you, you will feel a significant change. You will feel lighter, and you will see how situations in your life begin to resolve. Let the energy flow, and your life will improve completely. Don't just take my word for it, try it yourself one day. A great metaphysics teacher told me, if you want your present to be wonderful, your past must die. Cleanse your house, eliminate all that negative energy that no longer resonates with you, and soon you will see miracles happen. As I conclude this video, the state of our home greatly impacts our energy and overall well-being. It's amazing how simple changes in our surroundings can have a profound effect on our lives. By getting rid of things like clothes we no longer wear, broken objects, and items associated with departed loved ones, we create space for positive energy to flow freely. This reminds us that everything around us carries energy. It's like a dance between our environment and our own energy. When we consciously choose to surround ourselves with things that align with our present self, we open the doors to incredible transformations. She emphasizes the power of gratitude when parting ways with our belongings. It's a way of honoring the role they played in our lives and embracing the new chapters that await us. Plus, it just feels good to declutter and make room for the things we truly love and resonate with. Creating a harmonious and vibrant living space isn't about perfection or expensive decor, it's about infusing our home with positive vibes. Whether it's opening the windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, adding some beautiful plants, or simply keeping things organized. By taking these small but impactful steps, we invite miracles into our lives. It's like a domino effect. As we align our physical environment with our energy, we start to experience positive shifts and the sense of lightness. It's an exciting journey of self-discovery and intentional living, so I encourage you to take action and embark on this journey of creating a space that nurtures your spirit and fuels your progress. See how these changes ripple into other areas of your life. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and by harmonizing its energy, you're setting the stage for incredible things to happen. Let's embrace the power of our environment, let the positive energy flow, and witness the magic unfold in our lives. If you like the information I shared, let me know in the comments, leave a like, and if you are new and listening to me for the first time, I invite you to subscribe to keep learning. Until the next video, I share law of attraction. May God bless you always. Thank you.